This is a demonstration for uniquely decodable Morse code independent of time. Now for H is 4 dots. Okay, so we will stop mid the code word of H, so we can demonstrate its independence from time. Okay, so I have inputted some, I've given some input. Had it been completely dependent, had been it been dependent on time, it would have transformed into an E, but it hasn't. Okay, now enough time has passed, we will enter the remaining code word. Okay, now it has been passed as H, which we wanted. Now U is this, and L is dot slash dot dot. Okay,